All Progressive Congress (APC) governorship aspirant Honorable Amanero Dekeri aka Danco don launch im free 10,000 WAEC enrollment support program to students for Edo State. The event shele for Dekeri Amanero campaign office for Benin City, where e do one talk meeting with Tori people. Honorable Dekeri tok say education remains central point for the development and prosperity of any society and nation. Na im make him wan enroll WAEC for 10,000 students for Edo so that they go reduce the economic hardship wey dey across the country, and say each local government of the state will get 5,000 slots and other ogbonge groups for the state go still get slots.
It is imperative to bring to your notice that the final modalities that have been put in place for the equitable sharing of the 10,000 WAEC enrollment fee, which I promised to pay for all indigent students across Edo State who are billed to sit for the WAEC examination. This initiative is aimed at ensuring equitable access to education for children of Edo State. This is a reflection of my commitment to providing opportunities for every child to thrive and actualize their individual careers, as education remains the pivot for the development and prosperity of any society or nation. Without any iota of doubt, financial constraints oftentimes has hindered and truncated the dreams of many deserving students from pursuing and attaining quality education to an acceptable level. Therefore, in addressing this issue head-on, we have devised a plan to bridge the gap and alleviate the burden placed on economically disadvantaged families in our society. Education should be a fundamental right, accessible by every child, regardless of their socio-economic background. It is my firm belief that this initiative will empower the indigent students of Edo State, enable them to compete on a level playing field and unlock their full potentials. Distinguished stakeholders, I acknowledge your esteemed support and cooperation as partners who have been instrumental in shaping this proposal. Your invaluable inputs have paved the way for a comprehensive plan that will uplift our fellow citizens and contribute to the growth and development of our dear state. I encourage all stakeholders, including government agencies, educational institutions, civil society organizations, and philanthropic individuals to join hands with me in making this vision a reality by pulling our resources together and leveraging our collective strength to make a lasting impact, breaking the shackles of poverty and transforming lives through education. The sharing of free enrollment for senior school certificate exam to students in public schools will not only alleviate the financial burden facing families, but will also foster a strong and educated workforce, driving economic growth and ensuring a brighter future for our dear state. The breakdown of the sharing is listed below. The 18 local governments of Edo State will equitably share 5,000 slots. The remaining 5,000 will also be shared equitably among the civil societies and many other organizations within the states as enumerated below. Christian Association of Nigeria, orphanage homes, Muslim faithful, physically challenged persons, Nigeria Union of Journalists, civil society organization, internally displaced persons, traditional rulers, Igbo Community Association in Edo State, Yoruba Community in Edo State, Hausa Community in Edo State, Association of Market Women, Traders Association, Road Transport Workers Association, South State, Security Formations, amongst others. May I once again reiterate my commitment to advocating for the welfare and development of our dear state. Together, let us embrace this opportunity to empower the next generation of leaders through the power of education.
For in response to one question, Honorable Amanero tok say everybody get right to support who they want support as their party APC know who be the best candidate.
Alhaji Abubakar Akukia is a politician like most other politicians. He's entitled to his opinion, and he's entitled to his candidate of choice. You may have also heard that you may have also heard the reaction from across Edo State. He was not talking about me as an individual. He was trying to discourage those of us from the central, those that are contesting from the central, and they do not as well. As much as I know, my party, the All Progressives Congress, is opposition party in the state. I do not know if as an opposition party, we trade competence and capability for selected candidates. But I think the party is adding it. I am sure you are aware the party is adding it. But be rest assured that we are in the race. And by the grace of God, my co-aspirants are also in the race from Edo Central, Edo North. By the way, you may also know that the numbers of the aspirants are increasing. State leadership of the party has issued a statement to that effect, that there is no zoning. A party that is opposition party in the state cannot zone what they don't have. What they need is a candidate from any part of Edo State who can deliver acceptable candidate that can unite Edo State, that the party can present to deliver votes for the party.
Former Commissioner for Basic Education Patrick Agwinede and other ogbonge pipo wey tok to tori pipo come tok say body sweet dem wella sake of say Honourable Dekeri get the pipo for mind and e con still be person wey love education and say make everybody join body with am.
I'm particularly drawn with great joy to this particular, gesture that he's offering to the people of Edo State. As a former commissioner for education, I would say without missing words that WAEC is a major gateway to greatness of every citizen, whether Edo State or beyond. And you have my witness that there are a lot of people, families, that don't have the capacity to even, pay this fee. And the implication of that is that, intellectuals across the states, by reason of their parents, disadvantaged position, are not able to go beyond, the secondary school level. And today, we have seen an aspirant who is saying, yes, I will pay for 10,000 Edo State, people to enable them, write work that is enrolling for them. What is good is good. I'm even challenging every other contenders, aspirants who have the sole intention of governing the Edo State, begin to do good things before we get to that state. This is a good gesture. I have heard with great enthusiasm that he has also provided scholarship for students. You are my witness that these are, serious largesse for people to celebrate and rejoice about. I salute him seriously on this bold step and encourage that the committee that will be responsible should handle this thing with great discretion so that the purpose for which it is meant and the people for which it is meant for will enjoy the benefit.
It's a step that is meant for the good people of Edo State. It's a step that is meant to alleviate the sufferings of indigent citizens that are craving for education in Edo State. And we believe that it is going to be rightly done and applied, and it's a noble contribution to the growth and development of this state. And I see this opportunity to appeal to all citizens of Edo State to cooperate with this noble gesture so that all and sundry will benefit from it without any hindrance.
Just want to draw the attention of the Edo State people, because most people from Edo Central and Edo South are be calling all these things they are saying that this man is doing or he has been doing. Are they actually true? I think this is an opportunity to clarify the air that this program of enrollment, the scholarship program that has been extended to the entire state today, has been on since 2011. This feeling he has for the less privileged has been on in Edo North since 2011. Some of our family have been beneficiary. Some people who have benefited for his enrollment as at that time, most of them are graduate today. And there are some of them who have even got a job still through his gesture. So it's not something that he's just starting today. It's only building upon what he has been doing for a long time ago. It does not just stop on enrollment. Most schools in our firm in Edo North there are some schools he has renovated, there are some schools he has built, and presently he's building a charity village. That's a multi-billion project where there is going to be a school for the less privileged inside the charity village. There is hostel, it's going to be a free education school, and it's going to be a body school for the less privileged, not just for everybody. The love this man has for education cannot be defined just in a mere press briefing like this. He has been doing it and he continues to do it. Just recently, I accompanied him to the chamber in the House of Representatives when he moved a motion that as a matter of urgency, as a matter of importance, that the federal government, through its palliative measure, should declare 2023 SSE enrollment free so that every household in Nigeria, most households that cannot afford that this affliction of fuel subsidy removal has affected, we have direct impact on them. But definitely the bill was stepped down. But today, as a man who loves education, as a man who always have these feelings and love for the less privileged, he has taken it upon himself to enroll for 10,000 indigents in Edo State today. I think this is what the leaders in this country should emulate. It's something that worth emulation.
Make una no forget say as we see am na so we dey talk am, we no dey take blame. From Benin City, Pelumi Mokoro, TMC TV News.